Need to reduce screen brightness or make your iPhone easier on the eyes? Let me show you how to enable Invert Colors, a quick way to change how content appears. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips that make your device more comfortable to use. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Under the Vision section, tap Display and Text Size. Step 4. Now scroll down and choose between two options. Tap Smart Invert to reverse screen colors but keep images and media normal, or tap Classic Invert to reverse everything on the screen. The screen will change instantly, text pops, glare drops, and everything is easier to read for some users. Want to toggle invert colors quickly? Go back to Accessibility, scroll to the bottom and tap Accessibility shortcut. Now choose Smart Invert so you can triple click the side button to turn it on or off in seconds. And there you go. Whether it's for reading at night or easing eye strain, Invert Colors is a quick fix built right into your iPhone. Tap subscribe for more helpful iPhone features that make a difference every day.